Do this with your radiator, and your heating bills can drop by half. Use pliers to unscrew the thermostat. The valve pin can get stuck, so press it in a few times here. Put the thermostat back on and tighten it properly. A quick check and restart of the thermostats before the cold weather arrives. A simple step that can save you a lot of stress and money. Before the heating season, pour this simple mixture onto your radiator, and it will be clean and smell like new. Many people forget to properly prepare their heaters for winter, and throughout the year, a lot of dust accumulates inside them. However, you don't need to disassemble the radiator to clean it. Just pour a washing solution through it. In a measuring cup or jug, add 2 tablespoons of laundry powder, which effectively removes dirt. Then, pour in 500 milliliters of warm water and mix well until the powder dissolves. Place a bowl under the radiator and then slowly pour the mixture in so that it flows through its inner parts. The dirt that has accumulated there will start flowing into the bowl immediately. This is the best way to thoroughly remove dust, and the warm air from the radiator won't spread dust mites, which allergy sufferers will particularly appreciate. The bottle trick is a simple and effective way to lower your heating bills. With rising energy costs, many people are looking for inexpensive ways to keep their homes warm for longer. In Finland, where winters can be extremely harsh, this clever hack has become a real hit. The method is praised for being both effective and easy to do. When the heating season begins, many people wonder how to stay warm without spending more. The Finnish bottle trick helps extend the warmth in your home without the need for expensive equipment. All you need is a tightly sealed bottle filled with water and salt placed on the radiator. The secret lies in the ability of salt water to retain and slowly release heat. As a result, the room stays warm even after the heating is turned off. In addition, this method helps reduce moisture and prevents mold growth. Experts say that regular use of this trick can lower energy consumption by up to several %. You need to do this before the heating season starts. A simple mixture that will leave your radiator clean and looking like new. Just pour it in and watch all the dirt flush out within seconds. You won't believe how much grime hides inside. Throughout the year, when the radiator isn't working, dust and residue build up. The moment you turn it on, everything spreads into the air and around your home. That's why, before winter comes, prepare it with this easy trick. Take a large container and add 2 scoops of laundry detergent. The detergent not only dissolves dirt, but also refreshes and leaves a pleasant scent. Then pour in about 2 cups of warm water and stir until fully dissolved. Place a pot or bowl under the radiator and slowly pour the mixture through its inside. All the dust and buildup from months will flush right out. Within moments, you'll see the water turn dark and cloudy. Proof the dirt is gone. It's the best way to remove dust thoroughly. This way, warm air won't spread dust, but will fill your home with cleanliness and freshness. A simple trick that makes a huge difference.